Hi everyone. If you are on the latest version of PowerPoint, you would have noticed that in the top left corner we have Microsoft Copilot icon. If you click on it, there is no way to disable this option here. Also, it ends up occupying space between the slide and the menu. So at least this is the case in the version I'm using today. Maybe sometime in the future they will move the icon to somewhere else. But right now, let's say if I don't need this, I need to disable this option. The way you do this is go to File menu, locate Options. In Options, find the option Copilot. Here you will see a checkbox to either enable or disable it. In our case, we will be disabling it. So let's uncheck this. As it says here, the application needs to be restarted. So click OK, close PowerPoint, reopen the file, and there the option is gone, and the slide area has also increased because the space above the slide has been freed up. If you need to enable this back up again, same thing, go to File, click on Options, go to Copilot, say Enable, click OK, close the application and reopen it. The option should reappear in the top left corner. So this is a quick one. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.